What's up guys, welcome to Products Room. Pressure cooking has completely changed the way we cook, cutting down meal prep time while keeping flavors rich and textures perfect. But with so many models out there, how do you know which one is worth your money? In this video, we're breaking down some of the best pressure cookers that deliver fast, flavorful, and foolproof results. Whether you want speed, versatility, or premium performance, we've got something for every kitchen. So be sure to stay till the end, so you don't miss anything. Now, let's find the perfect pressure cooker for your kitchen. Starting with the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable pressure cooker, the Instant Pot Duo is a solid pick. This kitchen favorite does more than just pressure cook, it also slow cooks, steams, sautés, makes rice and yogurt, and even keeps food warm. With 13 customizable programs, you can whip up everything from ribs to soups with just a press of a button. It's a real time saver, cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. But if you prefer slow cooked flavors, it's got that covered too. One standout feature is its delay start function. You can set it up to 24 hours in advance, meaning dinner can be ready exactly when you need it. The stainless steel inner pot has a tri-ply bottom for even cooking, and when it's time to clean up, just toss it in the dishwasher. Safety is also a priority here, with over 10 built-in protections, including overheat prevention and a safe locking lid. While it doesn't offer air frying or sous vide, it still delivers solid performance for everyday meals. It's perfect for families or meal preppers, and with the free Instant Brands app, you'll never run out of recipes to try. Up next, we have the Cosori 6-quart electric pressure cooker. If you're on a budget but still want a versatile pressure cooker, the Cosori 6-quart electric pressure cooker is a great choice. It packs 13 cooking functions, including rice, steaming, sautéing, and even sous vide, all for under $100. And if you catch it on sale, you might grab it for as low as $75. That's a lot of value for the price. When tested, it made a delicious beef stew with incredibly tender meat, though some vegetables came out a bit too soft. The browning function worked well, but we noticed that meat at the back didn't get as much color. However, it cooked rice evenly from edge to center, with just a slight stickiness when stirring. A handy feature inside the pot shows the fill levels, so you won't overfill it. Safety is a priority here, with a double-layer anti-scalding lid and 12 built-in protections. The steam release is angled backward for safer venting, and the lid locks securely with a simple twist. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe parts. If you want an affordable, easy-to-use pressure cooker with solid performance, the Cosori 6-quart electric pressure cooker is worth considering. Coming up next, we have Ninja Foodi XL Pressure Cooker Steam Fryer with Smart Lid. If you need a large capacity pressure cooker with extra versatility, the Ninja Foodi XL pressure cooker is a fantastic choice. It holds up to 8 quarts, making it perfect for families or meal prepping. But what really sets it apart is its Steam Crisp technology, which lets you steam and crisp at the same time. That means you can cook juicy, tender meats while getting that crispy finish without drying them out. Great for fish, chicken, or veggies. With 14 cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, slow cooking, and even sous vide, this is more than just a pressure cooker. The smart lid slider makes it easy to switch between modes, and the deluxe reversible rack lets you cook multiple layers at once. During testing, we loved how evenly it cooked and crisped food, though it lacks a rice function, which may be a deal breaker for some. Cleanup is simple with its ceramic-coated, non-stick pot and crisp basket, both dishwasher safe. If you're looking for an all-in-one cooker that handles large meals with ease, the Ninja Foodi XL pressure cooker is a solid pick. Next in line is Presto Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. For those who prefer a stovetop pressure cooker, the Presto Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker is a simple, reliable, and affordable option. It's made of stainless steel, which means it won't react with acidic foods like tomatoes, something aluminum models struggle with. This is a 6-quart model, but there's also a 4-quart version for smaller batches. It doesn't have fancy digital controls, but the built-in pressure regulator keeps the pressure steady, while the cover lock indicator ensures safety by preventing the lid from opening until the pressure is fully released. We found it great for cooking meats, beans, and stews quickly, and it even tenderizes tougher cuts of meat. It also doubles as a regular cooking pot when you're not using it for pressure cooking. This Presto model is dishwasher safe, except for the sealing ring and pressure plug, which need hand washing. If you want a budget-friendly, no-frills pressure cooker that works on all stovetops, including induction, this one is a great pick. Next, we have Presto Pressure Canner and Cooker. If you're into home canning, the Presto Pressure Canner and Cooker is one of the best options available. With a 23-quart capacity, it's big enough to hold up to 7 1-quart jars or 2 layers of pint jars, making it ideal for preserving large batches of food. Made of heavy-gauge aluminum, it heats evenly, but keep in mind that it's not suitable for acidic foods like tomatoes. The dial gauge helps you monitor pressure precisely, which is especially important for high-altitude canning. During testing, the locking cover felt secure and sturdy, and it worked flawlessly for both pressure canning and water bath canning. It also functions as a large capacity pressure cooker, great for big family meals. However, due to its size, it may not fit under some kitchen sinks, so filling it with water can be a bit tricky. Cleaning is straightforward. Just don't immerse the lid in water and be careful with the delicate gauge. If you need a versatile, reliable pressure canner and cooker, this Presto model is an excellent investment. Moving on, we've got Kuhn-Ricken Duramatic Pressure Cooker. The Kuhn-Ricken Duramatic is a classic, and for good reason. This Swiss-made pressure cooker has been around since 1949, and its latest version combines sleek design with top-tier functionality. The 8.4 quart size is perfect for feeding a crowd, and its wider base sets it apart from many other models. That extra surface area makes it ideal for browning large cuts of meat before locking in flavor under pressure. Once cooking is done, you can quickly reduce sauces or braising liquids without needing to transfer them to another pot. Unlike traditional pressure cookers, this model features a spring-loaded, all-metal pressure valve with clear indicator lines. That means precise pressure control with no guesswork. It also comes with a snugly fitting rack that keeps food elevated, though it's not ideal for steaming as it still touches liquid. The durable stainless steel build, short stay-cool handles, and extra thick aluminum base make it built to last. Plus, it operates quietly, no loud hissing or steam escaping. Cooking with the Duramatic saves time while keeping nutrients locked in. It also comes with an included quick cuisine cookbook, helping you get started right away. If you love making rich stews, braised meats, or flavorful stocks, this pressure cooker is one of the best you can get. Coming up next, we have the Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker. If you're looking for a high-end pressure cooker with smart features, the Breville Fast Slow Pro delivers. Known for its premium kitchen appliances, Breville has designed this model to be incredibly versatile. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, sauté pan, steamer, and even a warmer, all in one. The dual sensors at the top and bottom monitor temperature and pressure, automatically adjusting for the best results. Whether you're making a quick risotto or slow cooking a pot roast, this cooker takes the guesswork out of the process. One standout feature is the hands-free steam release. You can choose between quick, pulse, or natural release, ensuring the safest method for your recipe. It also has 8 different pressure settings, ranging from 1.5 to 12 psi, so you can fine-tune your cooking. The LCD display is user-friendly, showing temperature, pressure level, and remaining cook time in real time. Breville includes preset programs for everything from rice and soup to lamb shanks and bolognese. The ceramic-coated cooking bowl is PFOA and PTFE-free and even dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The stainless steel construction, triple safety lid system, and included accessories make it worth the investment. If you want a pressure cooker that does it all with precision and ease, this is the one. And now for the best overall pick, we have the Instant Pot Duo Plus Whisper Quiet Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Plus Whisper Quiet is hands down the best pressure cooker you can buy. It's packed with 9 functions, allowing you to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, make yogurt, sous vide, and even sterilize, all in one sleek unit. The large LCD display makes it easy to navigate, with 25 customizable settings for everything from ribs and beans to desserts. It even shows the cooking progress in real time, so you always know what's happening. What sets this Instant Pot apart is its Whisper Quiet steam release, a game changer for those who hate the loud hissing of traditional pressure cookers. The stainless steel inner pot has a tri-ply bottom, ensuring even cooking and preventing food from sticking. It also locks in place, so it won't spin while sautéing. In testing, meat came out tender, beans were cooked to perfection, and everything browned beautifully without burning. Cleaning is a breeze too. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior and dishwasher-safe components make maintenance effortless. Safety is another highlight, with over 10 built-in features, including overheat protection and an automatic locking lid. Whether you're cooking for a family or meal prepping for the week, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is the most reliable, versatile, and well-designed pressure cooker on the market. And there you have it, 8 of the best pressure cookers to make cooking faster, easier, and more flavorful. Whether you're after a high-tech multi-cooker or a classic stovetop design, there's something here for everyone. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see more reviews and top picks like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time, happy cooking!